Okay, I have a lot of things to do today in terms of housing. I just wasted a ton of time at the dealership with my Genesis. Let's just get to this video. Let's get started. Hey guys, going to keep here making more videos again, and today guys, we have two different products I want to show you. So without further ado, let's get to it. Well, I have two products I want to really show you, but technically since I'm working on my housing, like I said, I'm actually on my way after this video to continue working. By the way, doing anything with your house takes forever. But yeah, so since this came in the mail, let's just check it out. Ooh. It's from a company called WorkPro, and I needed some drills, so I ordered some that weren't the normal brand, you know, like D-Vault and stuff like that. You know, you guys already know me. I try different brands, especially if they're cheaper than the, you know, D-Vault and stuff. I have D-Vault drills, and they're pretty pricey, so I wanted some extra ones, you know, that I can just throw around and stuff that is not too pricey, just in case, you know what I mean? Because when you're working with drills and stuff, they sometimes get beat up, so if something does happen, I'm not feeling too bad. Here's the literature that comes with it. We all know how to use a drill. So more literature, charging cable. Here's the first drill, aka driver, and the second drill right here. I'm not gonna, ooh, it has power in it. Comes with a nice little work bag. I like this. Ooh, man, what? This is not bad at all. Whoa! This is not bad at all. You see, this is why I like to try different stuff that no one tries, so that, you know, to give it a shot, you know what I mean? I'm one of those guys that love to test the things before other people test it. And I gotta say, you can see the D-Vault, look at that, sparks, man. D-Vault makes sparks like that. Okay, nice, comes with a battery. I wish they came with two batteries, but you know, I'm not complaining. It has two settings in the top right here, and also a bunch of torch settings on the side. It goes all the way to like 21, which is a good thing. And of course, the drill setting right here. You can see there's the LED right there. It just has a solid feel. It just feels really good. Let's try the driver. Looking good. This feels even better in your hand. Oh my gosh, this grip has a really good grip on it too. Yeah, I can feel that torque. I had to actually hold my hand like here. I was holding the hand so I don't keep doing this. Okay, so these two are definitely looking promising. I'm gonna be leaving the links in the description below. Go check it out. And I'm gonna be using these today. Can't wait, I'm excited. I didn't think they were gonna come in today, but stuff happens, right? And they come in. Alright, this is going in my Genesis right now. Okay, so now let's take a look at the actual two boxes that we're here for. Alrighty, hope you guys are comfortable right there. This box right here contains the thinnest jump starting battery I've ever seen. You guys already know, I like to try different things, interesting things, and this is definitely pretty interesting. And then this bad boy right here contains a battery that jump starts your car, but also both of them are from the same company. I was actually looking for something that wirelessly charges your phone because a lot of people have been asking me on Facebook, and then this guy came up as like the thinnest I've seen in terms of battery jump starts. I was like, you know what, I gotta get both of them. Let's unbox this bad boy right here first. Take the battery. Oh man, it's nice and hefty. Okay, let's see what else is in a box right here. Bunch of literature and stuff, and also what looks to be an iPhone 7, 6, 5, all those wireless charging adapters. So if you have like an iPhone 7 and stuff, whoa, neat. I like this. This is kind of interesting. I gotta try this one out because I have an iPhone also. Obviously the cables, the alligator cables, you guys already know that, and a rather neat dual charging cable, one for your iPhone and one also for your Android. Really nice. I like these cables actually. Slowly slide. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at this bad boy, guys. This really could be the thinnest itself, you know what I mean? Seriously, but I think you'll be surprised that this actually is thinner than this. This is really tiny and small. A lot of people sometimes ask me when I do these videos, they're like, hey, the batteries are kind of bulky. They don't want to fit it somewhere. They want something that fits in their glove compartment. I get it. I totally understand. That's why I'm scouring Amazon for you guys for this stuff. It has the indicator right here, 75% battery charge. Has a port right here for your actual alligator clippers. You just put it in there. Don't worry, I'll show you how that works in a second. USB port right here, USB port right here, and also an LED light just in case when your car decides to die on you, light it up. Has also like SOS mode and stuff like that, so really not bad. I like that. Everything on here is pretty much standard what you get on a car jump starter like this. However, you're gonna be surprised that this actually has a wireless function to it. This right here is a wireless charging pad. I couldn't believe I saw something like this. When people were asking me, they were like, is there a battery that jumpstarts your car, but you can also have this in your backpack and stuff at all times and just charge your battery on this bad boy. Pushed In actually made it, so thank you, Pushed In. All right, let's turn the bad boy on right here. And I have my normal iPhone 7 Plus right here, and iPhone 7 Plus Does not do wireless charging whatsoever, okay? However, apparently, ooh, oh, let's take this bad boy out. Look at this. Neat, neat. Okay, let's plug this bad boy in here. I'm gonna probably put this guy into my case. Let's see if this works. As you can see, it's on. It's not charging right now. It's not charging. Clearly see, it's still charging right in that corner. Oh my gosh, look at that, charging again. Okay, really, really cool. I was not expecting that. That is not the full point of this charger right here. However, definitely now, this might be going in my backpack, travel wherever I go. Not only because of the wireless charging factor, but just because it has a USB port right here that you can charge your phone on the go anyway. A lot of friends and family ask me all the time, what's the best backup battery for your iPhone, Android, whatever, you know, like one of these backup batteries. And I was like, get a backup battery that you can charge your phone, however, also just in an emergency can jumpstart your vehicle. You're gonna be paying the same price, so might as well get a battery that actually does two different things. Okay, so the final box right here, most likely the thinnest jump-starting battery for your vehicle I've ever seen. I kid you not. Okay, let's get the actual thing out. It looks like a cell phone, I'm not even kidding you. It has all the literature you guys already know. Has another box in the box. Has some alligator clips right here. Whoa! Cannot believe that it came with a really, really high quality USB fast charging thing like this, guys. Feels all metal and stuff, really nice. I didn't expect that. I'm gonna put this in my car. Like, this is my new thing now. I put this on top of my glass. You can feel the metal, not plastic. It's got some nice cables right here. iPhone cable, also an Android cable. I like that. In terms of packaging, I'm really liking this company. They really put a lot of stuff in there. Make sure that when you get your product, you're happy. Let's take a look at this. Really nice and thin. Oh, battery pack. So here's the other one. Relatively speaking, to jumpstart your vehicle before you needed a full car. You know what I mean? Now you got these batteries that are smaller and smaller, but relatively speaking, this is already pretty small. But then you have this guy that's even smaller, and you can see it's like half the size of this one right here, the wireless charging one. Really, really nice. I like this. But this right here is on a different level, guys. So like I said, I tell people all the time, get something like this if you want to charge your phone, you know what I mean? Because this can also, with these jumper cables in your vehicle at all times, just in case if your car dies, bam, you got this. And you have this, and then you're good to go. Now these guys are 6,000 milliamp hours, 400 amps in these bad boys. Okay, this is not gonna be starting up your diesel truck or something, but for a normal sedan, this should do the trick. So other than the thinness, it has the button on the side for the power, it has the USB ports right here, one for charging and one for, you know, giving power pretty much, okay? Here's a flashlight as normal, and then finally this bad boy right here. Now to plug this guy into your vehicle, all you have to do is plug the actual cables that came with it into here like so. Just, you know, push it in there, and then bammo, you got your positive and your negative, and you're done. You know, that's how you jump start your vehicle. Hook this guy up to your positive, hook this guy up to your ground, and then bam, you're done. And a lot of people also ask me all the time, like, hey, how long these batteries last? When I had my other battery in the vehicle for so long, it was still on full power. Now they recommend to keep these charged every 3 months. Make sure you do the recommended charging, so not too shabby. For me, obviously, I'm not gonna be doing it every 3 months, every year or so, to be honest. Definitely liking these bad boys. The links are gonna be in the description below. Here's the ultra thin one. Here's the one that's wireless charger. They're both the same power. Choose what you want, and I am loving these things right now, and I know you will love it. Real quick thing I want to tell you guys, in the last video or so, oh, there's a bunch of stuff on top of my roof. It looks horrible. Someone asked me in my last video, like, where's the battery of my vehicle? Because when I was doing the LED lights on the side, they saw that I was just wiring it to like nowhere where a battery would be. Okay, so now I gotta tell you that in the Genesis, the battery is actually in the back compartment right here, underneath this guy right here. Let me show you in person. This is how you do it. So as you can see, there's the actual battery right there. It's a huge battery, definitely needed. But if you want to jumpstart a Genesis, the way to do it is, oh, there we go. Every time I open this hood, I'm just like, man, thank goodness for these struts right here. The Honda Accord that I had did not have it. But yeah, in the Genesis, what you have is you have your negative terminal right here, and you have your positive terminal in here. So if you know, open this bad boy right here, you can see there's the big positive terminal right there, and the negative terminal is actually underneath here. It looks exactly the same. You just need a screwdriver to take it off. That's why a lot of people are questioning, like, hey, the battery's normally over there. Why were your wires all in this area? And what were you plugging it into and stuff? Did you plug it into your fuse box? And I got a lot of those questions. I just want to address that, and that's how it works. Oh, let's close this bad boy up. There we go. But that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Links to purchase everything that I talked about is gonna be in the description section of the video below. You guys already know it. I gotta go to work. I gotta use those drills I talked about in the beginning of the video. They are really awesome. I gotta clean that mess up that's up there on top of my window. But if you have any questions you wanna get answered really fast, Facebook definitely is a very good option. Instagram as well. On there, I get back really fast because it gets straight to my phone. So if you have any questions like that, there you have it. Also, the comment section is a great place to interact and stuff, so make sure you leave your comments down below. There should be a subscribe button and also a video button popping right here. Make sure you click on for more videos in the future. Other than that, guys, can you just share saying thanks for watching and peace.